So we just woke up early morning, 6 a.m. heading up the mountain. Our good friend Robinson. Gonna go do the Volcano Concepcion. Three hours up, 3 hours down.
3 hours down, I'm not worried about it. 3 hours up. But
anything to do about
like when we did the hike in El Salvador, what really sucked was that you have to do the up hike at the end, which is the hardest part. So I'm hoping it's gonna be a little easier because we're doing the really hard part at the end.
Is this our guide?
Yep.
Hello, Luis.
Is it gonna be hard?
Sorry?
Is the hike gonna be hard?
It's gonna be easy, man.
Easy.
First kilometer will be flat, and then we're gonna walk in the shade, so that'll be easy.
How many kilometers is it?
That's only 5K.
Yeah, I know.
5 kilometers. Up. Up.
Yeah.
2 flat, 3 up. Right? Very, very easy.
What are we gonna see? Monkeys?
If it's cloudy, of course, we will see anything, but it's gonna be view. We see the mainland.
Are there any monos?
We got the holler monkeys, we got also the white-faced monkey, also the spider monkey, but the spider monkey they don't live in the natural wild. They live in an island, separate. They were introduced by the men, so but they are quite aggressive to humans.
Yeah.
That's why they don't live in the volcano.
I brought bananas for them.
You get banana for them? Do not feed the monkeys, absolutely prohibited. Do not feed the monkeys, okay?
Why?
Oh.
That's pretty high. That's the highest part of the range.
Getting pretty tough. Getting pretty steep.
Getting steeper.
Starting to feel my legs.
Make sure when you get your hands really muddy, you wipe it on your white shirt, like I just did. No, that's like a big...
All right. Just made it out. Wow. Beautiful.
Oh, no?
But you know, to do that, it will be possible.
Was that hard?
The water is dark.
Yeah,
Was it dark, Debbie?
it was hard.
I think it was dark.
Oh, we're on.
How high are we now?
Impossible.
How high?
900 meters. We passed 900 meters.
How much more we got?
10 minutes to be 1,000 meters.
What if we want to go to the top?
No.
Why?
You love her? Do you love her? Huh? So you shouldn't go.
He loves me. Pequeña,
It's,
right?
it's dangerous.
It's very dangerous, man. Toxic fumes, ash, rocks.
You made it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Why don't they just get the leaves by their house?
Well, why don't they set up shop?
They made the owl trail too. They made the owl trail and then to. Oh, they see that one plant?
There's a ton of them. Like, it's just...
Look. You understand?
I do understand. Yeah, but
You understand?
there seems to be a lot of trees.
They work so hard. I tell you, if we step on the land on the ants.
I can't reach.
Does your bike you used yesterday to go kayaking?
Oh, the driveway?
Not a
Oh,
problem.
nice.
Clothes?
No water.
I wish I'd come to
Yeah, it's very tough.
So Luis,
Yes, sir.
we made it down.
We made it down, right?
How did we do?
Perfect. Excellent.
Yeah? Slowest group you've ever had?
No. Very good.
We're
Good
right
time.
on time, right? It's 2 o'clock.
Good time, man. 6
Yeah.
hour and a half round trip. Perfect time. Just
Next-
waiting for the taxi.
Next time we go all the way to the top.
Next time we're gonna go all the way to the
Tomorrow.
top. Huh?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow we can go to the other volcano.
Tomorrow, Luis will be hungover.
Huh? Did I go home?
Hungover?
I don't drink a lot.
No.
Nah.
Double cell.
Probably.
Oh, buddy. Oh, buddy.
It's the run of the bulls.
Oh, man. If I wouldn't have moved,
That thing would have gone right.
They're like
that would have
headed
been a
home.
good vlog.
Yeah. Who knew it only happened in Pamplona, right?
So they don't
The run of the